Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Yes, my dear students, every mistake teaches you a great lesson for your life. And if you accept your mistake as your teacher, if you learn from your mistake, keep one thing in your mind, you are not going to become fail in your life anyhow. If you are not going to repeat that mistake again and again, the lesson you learned from this mistake, if you approve it, one fine day you will reach at your goal. So tell me, how are you all? Fine? Happy? As I told you before that we have already completed our syllabus of Essay 2 examination. From today onwards, we are going to start making revision of Essay 2 examination. For Essay 2 examination, we have to prepare chapters 7 to 12 and tables 1 to 10. So now everyone get ready with your notebook, pencil, as you all have to write with me. First, write today's date and day on the right corner of your book. Now, write the heading, Chapter 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. SUBTRACTING, subtracting. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. Chapter 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. I hope you all have completed your writing part. As I told you in each and every lecture, my dear students, that before we start writing anything, first of all we have to write current date and day, and after that immediately we have to write the heading, so that we can understand what we are going to learn or write, or when we are going to make preparation for our examination, we can easily understand what we have to prepare. What is subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Let me repeat one more time. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Counting back to subtract. Yes, we are going to learn how to make subtraction by counting backward. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. This is the story of a jungle where 18 animals were watching the race. After some times, 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? So first we have to write the sum. 18 minus 3. Start with the bigger number. Here number 18 is bigger. So keep number 18 with you. Count back 3 numbers. Count back means before numbers we have to count 3 numbers before 18. Let's see how can we do it. 17, 16, 15. Stop. As 3 numbers completed. So you will reach at 15. So 15 is your answer. We have to write down 15. 18 minus 3, by making backward counting, we reach at number 15. Our answer is There were 15 animals left watching the race. Now write the heading. SOLVE, solve. BY, by. COUNTING, counting. BACK, back. Solve by counting back. Now write the sum. I am waiting for some time so that everyone can make proper copy. 1, 9, 19 minus 2. Now see, here you can see that we have written the numbers in squares. You all are using square line books, so you have to write the numbers same as you have seen on the screen. Write the numbers properly on its proper position, proper place. Number 2 you have to write at one's place, just below number 9. 1, 9, 19 minus 2. Now as we are doing counting backward. So first tell me, which is the bigger number, 19 or 2? Definitely it is 19. So make circle around 19. Now make 2 steps backward counting from number 19, means count before numbers. 18, 17. So 17 is the correct answer. Everyone copy this in your book. 19 minus 2. By making backward counting, we reach at number 17. Again I am waiting for some time so that you all can make a proper copy. Write next sum, 12 minus 3. 1 to 12 minus 3. Now see, which is the bigger number here? 12 or 3? Yes, it is 12. So make circle around number 12. Minus 3 means make 3 steps backward counting. 12 before, 11, 10, 9. We reach at number 9, but be careful where you have to write number 9, just below number 3, at one's place only. You should not write it on tens place. Okay, 12 minus 3 we get 9. I am waiting so that you all can complete the sum. We have almost completed 2 sums. Now write the next one. 1 6 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. 1 6 16 minus 2. Observe the sum written on the screen properly and try to write on the same way. Observe it and tell me which is the bigger number, 16 or 2? 16. So 16 before 15 and 14. So number 14 is the answer which we have to write here. I am waiting so that you all can copy. (16 minus 2) by making backward counting we will reach at number 14, which is the answer, and we have to copy it. Write the next sum, 11 minus 2. 1 1 11 minus 2. Now observe it carefully and tell me which is the bigger number. Is it 11 or 2? What do you say? Yes, 11 is the bigger number. So first keep number 11 with you and now make 2 steps backward counting, means count 2 steps before 11. So 11 before, there comes 10, 10 before, 9. We reach at number 9, so it is our answer. 11 minus 2, we get 9. Where we have to write the answer? At the ones place only. I repeat, we have to write the answer at ones place only. 11 minus 2, we get 9. Write the next sum, 16 minus 6. 1 6 16 minus 6. Now observe it carefully and tell me which is the bigger number. Is it 16 or 6? Yes, 16 is the bigger number. So make circle around it. 1 6 16 minus 6 means make 6 steps backward counting. 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. Where we reach, my dear? We reach at number 10. 16 minus 6. By making backward counting, we reach at number 10. So number 10 is our answer, which we have to copy. I'm waiting for some time. The person who are not able to make a very fast copy, they can write down properly. Take it easy. Take your own time and write the answer. 16 minus 6, 1 0, 10. 1 5, 15. Minus 1 5, 15. Write the sum properly. 1 5, 15 minus 1 5, 15. Now observe this sum and tell me, which is the bigger number here? Observe it. Both numbers are same. So, how can we find the answer? Yes, there is a rule of subtraction that when we subtract the number from the number itself, we get 0 as an answer. So 15 minus 15, we get 0 0. Okay? Next sum, 1 4 14 minus 1. First of all, everyone write down the sum. 1 4 14 minus 1. Observe the sum properly and tell me which is the bigger number, 14 or 1? As we have two numbers here, so we can say that 14 is the bigger number. Make one step backward counting. 14 before, there comes 13. 14 minus 1, we get 13. This is the answer. Everyone, write down it in your notebook. Now write the heading. TABLE, table of 5. Table of 5. Five ones are 5. Everyone, copy in your book. 5 ones are 5. Leave one line and then write 5 twos are 10. Read and write 5 twos are 10. Five threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. 5 10s are 50. So, you all have completed. Each and everyone has completed. Today, we make revision of counting back to subtract. Then, we learn and write table of 5. So, I hope you all have completed your writing work with me. And give me a promise that each and every day you make revision of all the subjects, not only for mathematics. Okay? At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.